Hi everyone, my name is Briz and I'm the Outreach Logistics Coordinator here at the Children's Museum Houston. Today we will be making a sensory heart play activity in honor of Valentine's Day. From birth to early childhood, children use their senses to explore and get a sense of the world around them. They use touch, taste, smell, sight, hearing, as well as body awareness and balance. Sensory play provides opportunities for children to use their senses to help brain development. It can also lead to the ability to understand more complex learning tasks, language development, motor skills, and social interaction. So for the sensory heart activity, I have several different types of materials, but I'm focusing on the color red for Love Day. So as you can see, I have some garlands, some tissue paper, pipe cleaners. I also have felt, which I'm also using as my outline for the heart, that I'm going to be placing here. Some beads, little foam balls. I'm also using scissors, which you will need, and glue. Now I'm using hot glue for the purpose of this video, so have the item set faster on the canvas, which you will also need. But you can also use fabric glue or regular glue. Just remember, you want to give it time to dry in between putting different materials on your canvas. So I cut a heart outline with the felt, and that's what I'm going to be using to create my outline for the heart I want to make on the canvas. So I'm going to start gluing down, and then once I glue this down, I'm going to be gluing another border. Now with this bead necklace, I'm going to be trying to put this around the border, and once I put the border on, I'm going to try to keep all the materials inside of the heart to keep the shape. Remember, when gluing down your bead necklace, you do pieces at a time, so by the time you get to the end, your glue doesn't dry out. So once you have your border and your outline of your heart, after there's, like I said, there's no formal instructions, you can use pipe cleaners, curl them up around your finger, start gluing them down in a section. And like I said, try to put different materials next to each other so you can feel the different sensations. You can use tissue paper and crumble it up to create elevation. If you want to do a scent component, I can recommend some scented erasers to glue on here, or if you have an oil or perfume you want to spray to keep on the pom-poms, if you decide to use any, to keep them on there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed making your sensory heart for Love Day, and I hope to see you guys soon.